Hey guys, this is Joffrey Ward and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about making money online, internet marketing, print on demand. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Today we're going to be talking about a money making app that pays you to download apps and to use them, specifically games. If I'm talking a little bit lower than I usually do today, it's because I have a sore throat, so just bear with me. I'm gonna go over all the details. The link to this app will be in the description below, including my #1 money making app that I use on a daily basis, which is Dosh, and I'll just show you my results in Dosh so far. Well, to this point, I might have shown in the last video. Nothing's really changed since I probably showed it to you guys last. But let me just go to settings and just show you what I've earned just this year, and just like in a short period of time, $235. In 2019, we're at the 24th. We are in the 24th, so the 24th of January. So $235. If you want to learn more about this app, I'll leave it in the description below. You just go and download it and just follow the instructions that I have in the description. So what we're going to be talking about today is an app called AppFlame. Like I said, this link will be in the description below. So what this does is it pays you out for downloading certain apps in the feature tabs and actually using those apps. So you get 219 points per minute if you play King of Avalon. You can invite friends. They have more games in here than I probably already have some of these games downloaded. But it's multiple ways you can earn money. The payouts are pretty good. What they do is they pay you out through PayPal. They have Steam in here. They have Amazon. They have PlayStation Card, American Outfitters, BJ's, Burger King, Chili's, Chipotle, GameStop, Groupon, iTunes, Logan's. Like, they have a lot of gift cards in here. So it's not a shortage of gift cards if you want to use them. But in order to get, I think you get 2,000 points when you first sign up, and then in order to get your first 50-cent payout with PayPal, you don't need to get 4,900, and you only have to get 2,000 more points, 2,400 some more points in this app for you to get your first PayPal payout. So you can pretty much do that just by get the game and just leave it open. If you have another phone, you can just open up the app, leave it open, turn your settings, and like I'll show you, even though it might be different for each phone that's your own. So I'll just go to my settings and actually show you a way that you can keep your phone on so it doesn't disrupt your while the game is going. So let me just screen timeout display. Here it is. You go down here to your screen timeout, and let me see if I can find it, and you would just place it on, keep the screen turned on, and then leave the game on and actually just let it run, because the game is going to be on, it's going to be playing, but you're not going to be you don't have to actually play the game. You collect per minute. You can have this going on multiple phones, and you can collect a decent amount of money. Now, are you going to make hundreds and hundreds of dollars with this? You probably can, if you invite friends as well, but you can earn a decent amount of money. This is just an app that's just on here. So, I mean, it's simple as that. It's just an app that's just going to be on here collecting you money. Even if you can have a tablet, and you can have one game open in that tablet and one game open on the phone, depending on how many devices you have. I have a lot of old devices, old Android phones that you can, that I can use and, play different games on, and just keep the stuff open, go to the settings and do that screen timeout as well. So that's something that you can do. I'll leave a link to this app in the description below. When you sign up, you get, I think around 20, I think it's around 2,000, not 20, keep saying 20, 2,000 points. When you sign up, go ahead and collect that, and then just do what I tell you on here. You can also refer friends and level up as well. So that's all I got for you guys. If you have any questions, comment them below. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification so you can be notified when I drop a new video. And that's all I got for you guys. Download the app. Peace out.